What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man, with Constrictors in the building again. Real quick video. Finally, got to share it out of that last little crazy clutch. The pairing that I did was banana to Mojave, but I ain't get a single banana out of the clutch, and I think I might got some super Mojaves. So I'm gonna let y'all see what that's like. It's post Tinley, man. Just got back. Big shout out to everybody that I hollered at, man. Had a blast. I ain't even really get too much. I ain't really get no footage or nothing like that, man. I was just out there kicking it, being a groupie. You know how it goes, man. Big shout out to the homie Will, Royal Canadian Reptiles. Saw me, hollered at me, man. Gave me my hat. Real cool dude, man. Stand-up guy out here in the industry. If you ain't following him, make sure you go get him a follow, man. But all that being said, man, let's get into this update on this clutch, man. But before we do that, y'all know what time it is. Hit that intro. All right, so we're gonna start out with this. Antoine. Shout out to the homie Desert Wolf. Shout out to Boom Exotics. Shout out to GP Snakes, man. Shout out to Dragon Soul, man. Shout out to Rodney from Black Sun. The homie Will from RCR. Shout out to the homie MJ. Reggie's Urban Jungle. Everybody was in the building, yo. It was a good time, man. Big shout out to the homie Matt from O'Malley's Morphs for showing your boy love, hollering at me and gifting me with a t-shirt, man. Appreciate that. Y'all know what to do, man. Do all the things, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell and all that, so y'all know whenever I post a new video. Like I said, I got a video coming soon. I'm gonna do a couple updates and let y'all know what I picked up from Tinley. One thing, but it's pretty important over here, so keep an eye out for that, man. That being said, it'll be easy. Till the next time.